Hi, welcome to the Web Design Funnel Pack. Grab yourself a coffee and let's go through this together so that you can see what this funnel pack is all about and what you're going to be getting with your purchase. At the end of the video, I'll also talk a little bit about the sales add-ons available and why this might be valuable for you. So the Web Design Funnel Pack has been created to help agency owners and web designers just like you to generate more web design leads for your business. Our funnel pack consists of a landing page and thank you page template for Elementor, Beaver Builder and Divi, a lead magnet has been professionally designed and written and editable in Google Slides, Adobe InDesign and Adobe Illustrator. You have welcome email, nurture emails and a call to action email that have been written for you and ready to go. And these are all available in UK and US English as well. Finally, there's video tutorials throughout that will show you how to get everything set up, and you get access to our private customer Facebook group as well, where you can ask more questions and interact with all of the awesome people. So at every step of the journey with a funnel pack, we're helping you to lead with value. You're giving your leads an awesome free lead magnet packed with information and tips that they can action to start generating results in their business. The nurture email sequence in particular continues to deliver value first, providing more tips and things to think about for your leads. And we consistently have our customers coming back and saying that this is one of the most important elements for them, and they say time and time again how much they love our nurture email sequences. Finally, the whole process ends with a call to action email where you'll invite your lead to book a call with you, and then you can start the sales conversation. Let's take a closer look inside the members dashboard and see exactly what you get. So this is our members dashboard, and we're in particular, obviously we're inside the Web Design Funnel Pack. You see there's a few different menu options here. The sales add-on part we'll ignore and we'll come back onto a bit later on. So you've got a welcome page. First of all, it says welcome, gives you a quick idea of what you're having a look at. And in this case, we're saying here, the funnel has been designed to educate your leads on how to have a better website project. And I'll show you a bit more about that in just a second. So if we go into the lead magnet. So the lead magnet, like I said, is available in Google Slides. We have a plain text version. We have InDesign and Illustrator. So those of you who are more graphically advanced than myself, you can jump straight into Adobe InDesign and Adobe Illustrator and you can make something amazing that will make me go, wow. For me personally, I'm a Google Slides man. Let me show you what that looks like. So I click in. So this is our lead magnet in Google Slides. I'm in the UK version. There's slightly different sizes. You've got A4 and you've got letter size for the US. And so inside here we have a nice cover which we can brand, we can make some changes to. We've got an introduction and we've got the 5 different pages inside which are about requirements, investment, goals, content and communication. And there's a summary page at the end which you can put your contact details into. Once you finish this, you can export it. So obviously you just can file download and download a PDF, and you have a brand new lead magnet PDF ready to send out to your clients in your welcome email. This will take you like 5 to 10 minutes to edit. It's a really quick thing to go through and to brand to suit your business. So that's the quickest way to get started with this. Now obviously, again, like I said, you can go more in depth. You can go sort of into InDesign and Illustrator, and that's fine too. So you have the plain text, and also you've got me editing it for you. There's a 10.5 minute video there of me showing you exactly how to edit in Google Slides and showing you just a really quick way of making some changes and then showing you how to export it. So you've got that video tutorial there to hand. Under the page builder section, we have Elementor, Beaver Builder and Divi. In each of these, there's the landing page and the thank you page templates. You've also got the lead magnet cover images as well. And in the web design pack, there's an additional video about email integration for Elementor and also for Beaver Builder. In future funnel packs that we've released, that's actually included inside the main video, but you'll see this additional video in here. So here's an example of our landing page. This is just in the Elementor version. And we can see you've got a nice hero image here. We've got an image for the book. We can open up a pop-up which will allow someone to sign up for the guide. Bit of content in there, and then you've got your social proof section at the bottom. All of this is explained, and as you can see, it's really clean and simple. So this one here, the purple color actually is not the main color we use. This is just one that I've edited after we finished making videos last time. I think we had a darker blue background on there. But the colors and everything don't matter because these are things that you can change yourself. So you can go ahead and make all of these edits, make the changes you want. We've got some customers who've made some incredible customizations to these and made completely their own pages, which blow Mel and I away when we see them. But we make sure it's really clean and simple for you to edit from the start so that you can go ahead and make the changes you want to make. So that's the same in Beaver Builder and Divi. You've got all the content there. Now the emails is where things really start to stand out. So you've got your welcome email, your nurture emails, and your call to action email. And I'll show you those in just a second. We have also the MailerLite tutorial. So we use MailerLite in funnel packs as kind of the basis for the email system that we recommend, and that's because it doesn't cost you anything to get started. So a big ethos that Mel and I have with funnel packs is that we don't want to cost you any additional money. We don't want you to buy something and then suddenly find out, oh, actually to use the thing you need to spend this much money and this much money and have an ongoing payment on a monthly basis. We want you to be able to buy a funnel pack, get it set up on your business in under an hour and just get started, and that's kind of what we're trying to do. So we use MailerLite as an example in our tutorials, but you could use things like ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, which we use for funnel packs ourselves. You can use Drip, and any email system that provides automation will work for you. So let's have a look at the email sequence. So it's just a quick look. So this is the UK English version. You can see we've got a few different emails here. So we have a welcome email where we're sending out the guide. So we can attach our guide and the link just here. In Nurture Email 1, we're talking about requirements again. And this you can see here is about clear project requirements helping you and your designer. And this we're really trying to gently educate the leads who are getting these getting the emails and going through the lead magnet. We're trying to gently educate them in how a project works best. And this is for both them and for you as well. If they can understand how to have a great project and how to be successful with a project, they can start dancing to the tune that you're playing rather than trying to force you to dance to their tune, which has got no beat and is vastly out of time, and it's not great. I mean, we all know those kind of clients. I know you know. And so we've got our 5 nurture emails, and then at the end we have a consultation request email where you can basically put a link to your booking calendar and you can have a 15-minute conversation. We're not trying to get them to do anything crazy. We're not trying to force them to do anything crazy. It's literally just to get started and to move on. Okay, and in addition to our emails, we also have recommended tools. Now, our recommended tools are organic and they do change over time. Now, there's a little note in here that says we don't want to teach you to suck eggs. Now, obviously, you guys are web designers and agency owners and things. We're not going to say, look, use this theme, use this plugin, use this page builder, whatever it might be. You've got your own stack and system set up already. But what we will have in here is things like recommended courses and Facebook groups and things like that. And these are, as I said, these are organic, so they will change over time, and we'll add to them over time. We'll keep adding on. Let's come back to sort of the funnel packs and how we use them. So using a funnel pack is really, really easy. They've been created with WordPress in mind, and we provide the landing page and thank you page templates for Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Divi. You don't have to use one of these page builders. In fact, you don't even need to use WordPress. We've already got some customers who don't use WordPress who love our funnel packs. If you want to use another platform or system, all you would need to do is recreate our landing page and thank you page templates. As I showed you in the demonstration earlier, we keep these deliberately clean and simple because 95% of our audience are already agency owners and web designers. We want you all to have the freedom to customize everything to suit your brand, offer, and audience. Now, if you're wondering how long it takes to set up a funnel pack, you can get everything set up and ready to go on your website and inside your email platform within an hour. For those who want to heavily customize things to suit their brand and audience, then you can take longer if you need to. But as I say, to get everything started and finished is under an hour. Our current unofficial record for setup is 25 and 27 minutes from Lorraine and Carl in our customer group. Now, we don't advocate trying to be a speed demon, but just block off an hour of your time and you'll be all set. Now, I mentioned the sales add-on at the start, didn't I? Let me tell you a little bit more about that. A sales add-on is an additional purchase that provides you with the content and tools to position a productized service at the end of your new funnel pack. In the case of the web design funnel pack, our sales add-on is focused on positioning and selling a paid productized discovery service. This is likely something you already run with your clients, but now you can get paid for it if you don't already, and you can run it all using automation. The end result will be a brief document that your lead can use to move forwards with their project, and that's hopefully with you. You'll be incentivizing them to move forwards with you, not just through your awesome charm, but also because of how you're positioning everything when you use our sales add-on. And when you purchase a sales add-on for the web design funnel pack, either with your funnel pack or at a later date, you're going to get a sales page template for Elementor, Beaver Builder, or Divi, sales copy for the sales page, illustrated graphics in SVG format and in 3 different colors, and you can even customize those further in your favorite vector software to really nail down your particular brand colors if you want to. 3 different email sequences, which are a sales email sequence, an abandoned cart email sequence, and a welcoming and onboarding email sequence, and training videos that will show you how to get everything up, including a video on Thrivecart and a video on cart flows as 2 examples of great ways that you can run your sales add-on. Let me show you how that looks in the back end as well. So in the back end, like I said, there's an additional menu item once you purchase it. It sits inside your funnel pack as an extra menu option. There's a welcome page and there's some different pages inside. So for Elementor, for example, we can go in, we can see there's an elementary tutorial showing you how to set up the sales page. You can download the sales page template, and there's also the SVG images here as well. And in terms of the sales page, nice and clean and simple. Now, forgive my test site for not having perfect typography set up on it, but I'm just showing you really quickly and simply what we've got. So this is an example of our sales page template. I can scroll down and show you what we've got in here. And then we got the option to purchase, and then when they click this, they'll go through to your checkout system, and you can see, you can even tell them what's in your discovery service. So we've suggested things like a discovery meeting, they get a project brief, and you can even do a deduction on future work. Like I said, that's one of your smart ways of positioning things to get them to move forwards with you. You can put your testimonials into some more social proof. You can put some FAQs in, then you can repeat your offer again at the bottom. So that's a quick overview of our sales page. And as I say, that's available in Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Divi. Now, if you don't use one of these page builders or you don't use WordPress, you can still use this. You would just need to recreate the sales page in your particular platform of choice. Now, for the emails, there's 3 different email sequences. So we've got the sales email sequence. We have the abandoned cart email sequence with the welcome and onboarding sequence. And these, again, all have videos and Google Docs to go through. I won't go through too many of these because I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. I know you're probably looking at this page going, Matt, shut up. I want to have a look at the rest of the content, so that's fine. But that's just an example of what's on there. And like I said, we also have ThriveCart and CartFlows tutorials as well. So we're showing you how we set everything up in ThriveCart and how we set everything up in CartFlows. So that's a sales add-on. And that goes at the end of your funnel pack. And what we would do with these sales add-ons, we'd replace the call to action email, and so we then move into the sales email sequence from there. The templates are added to your website, and you set up your email sequences and checkout systems following our video tutorials. Imagine bringing leads through your funnel and selling them a productized service whilst you sleep. It's pretty cool, isn't it? That's the end of our walkthrough for the Web Design Funnel Pack and the sales add-on that you can purchase to go with it. If you have any questions, you can email Mel and I on support@funnelpacks.co, and we'll assist you as soon as we can. If you're on our website, you can also go down to the bottom right-hand corner here, click on the icon, click send a message, fill in the information there, and we'll also get back to you as soon as we get your message. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope the rest of your coffee tastes great. Cheers. Take care.